One that's up there now is a screw drive. Genie was put up in 2011 or replaced in 2011. And we got, so everything checks out. So I think I'm ready. Got the tools laid out here, all the wrenches, and I already had it on the diagram. Got my lever, everything right here. Look like there's enough extensions. I hope it is. I sure have to. Hope I don't have to get a nothing. I'll measure them things, see what they come up to. Then I'll know whether we need to go any further. And really, this is the end of phase 2. We're moving to phase 3 probably tomorrow, when my help comes to help install it. Okay, we're testing the test safety sensors on the door to make sure nobody gets bent. Oh, they work. Darn, Cushy went through that so fast. I couldn't find an African American or man of African descent to install it. But then I looked in the mirror and there he was. And there it is, installed. I'm trying to find the button to mash it again. Smooth. We'll be coming back with a full version of installation of this garage door opener screw drive. It's going to take a minute to edit all that video, but I'll finish it up sooner or later. Thanks for watching.